Now, moments before the chilling murder, CCTV shows Renuka Swami. Tamsa has accessed the CCTV footage. The police are now going to be looking at all of these CCTVs. This could be a clincher in the case. This is Renuka Swami going to work. He was intercepted by a car and then taken to Bengaluru. These are the visuals that you're seeing on the screens. My colleague Deepak joining us with the details. Deepak, the CCTV footage could be a clincher for the case. Take us through the details of the CCTV footage. When was this taken? This was before Renuka Swami was allegedly taken to a shed where he was beaten up.
Yes, Pratibha, now the investigation, of course, only widens, and more importantly, CCTVs in such cases, of course, play a very crucial role. We put out CCTV footages showing, of course, movement of those two SUVs to the location where the assault took place and from the location as well. We've shown viewers of times now the CCTV footage of, of Renuka Swami working in that pharmacy. Now, this is the latest footage that we've got access to, which shows him en route to work that day. He, of course, didn't actually report to work because en route itself, he was, intercepted by a car, and Raghu here, who is said to be the head of the Fans Association of Darshan from Chitradurga, he's the one who's instrumental in abducting him, kidnapping him from Chitradurga and bringing him to Bengaluru. So the interception happens there. The bike is stopped, and a few meters from where the CCTV captures the road, from there you can see the bike that was parked and was found there. But nobody knew what happened at that point in time to Renuka Swami. It was only later, of course, that his body was found disposed by a drain in Bengaluru. So from Chitradurga, in a car, he was brought to Bengaluru and then eventually taken to that plot where, of course, cars are parked, and we brought that report as well for our viewers, where he was brutally assaulted. Darshan is believed to have come there, seen what happened. Even he is believed to have assaulted him, and later this individual has succumbed, and people have decided to dispose his body. Have also tried a huge cover-up by trying to take the fall for the murder and not bring Darshan's name, and it was only after a lot of investigation that the police have, of course, found leads and evidences to now, nail Darshan and Pavitra Gowda too.